Thank you, Greg. Hello, everyone. And this is something everybody needs it. So let's start with the storyline. Meet Mike. He is a professional resume writer. And there are a lot of people like him, as you can see on the right side. Their primary skills are creative writing and a familiarity with every industry. They charge about $800 to $1,000 per gig. Pretty lucrative. And together, they created an industry space called resume writing as a service. But there is a problem in this slide. Let's get to it. Let's define the problem statement. It's expensive to have a professional write your resume and super expensive to even customize it if you want. Yet, everybody wants it to be highly professional and tailored to the opportunity. Now, right around when GPT was becoming famous, you might have seen a lot of these news in the mainstream media. So if ChatGPT can make your resume, why spend $800? The trend is still going that way, and strongly so. In this POC, I tried to create something similar to what these guys are doing, plus add something more to it. The application can read your resume, extract your technical, soft skills, all those useful things, and then connect to an external API and scan for all the compatible job openings in the market. And then you add, edit, modify, improvise, customize the resume and make it look perfect for that particular job. And you apply it. And you can keep doing it again and again and again, effectively creating an industry space, resume writing as a software. Yep. So for this, these are the list of tools I used for this POC. Nothing fancy. Agents. Here I used agents and tools, and lot of tools. Every custom functionality which I needed, I wrapped it as a tool and used it. And I even wrapped RAG as a tool, and I have it in it. I'll talk about this a little bit later. Now, here is the system flow. So first, the user uploads the resume, and then it goes to ChatGPT, it parses the resume, looks out for the soft skills, the technical skills, blah, 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 all the good things. And then this JobSpy is an external API. It contacts JobSpy with all these skill set and then scans for all jobs, which it thinks it's compatible. And then comes the agent with a lot of tools. And then you can ask it to things you need to do it, like modify the summary or find the missing skill set or rate my resume or anything. And here I also wrapped RAG as one of the tool set. A 10-second talk about this is like, unlike the traditional RAG, I did not use any vector DB for this, because usually the job description is just a 1 page or at most 2. So I thought you can just pass that 1 page text along every time you do the query. I mean, my rationale was you lose more than you gain. So, and it worked out. This is how the formatted resume looks. I mean, I sent it my resume, and this is how it cleanly formats it. And this is the external API when it returns the job results from the web. Okay, now my favorite part. Let's open VS Code and dive into the code. I'm just joking. I'm not going to go through that, but below is the link if anybody wants to go through the code. Yep. And next. demo time. I wasn't able to get it on Hugging Face. I have some issues, but I have it running in my local. So let's do that. Oops. Yep. Here it is. So for this demo, I seeded the application with my own resume, and I already picked the job, the very first one. It was able to get it from the web. And now you can ask any questions here. So let me try asking a silly question here. Okay. I hope it doesn't bomb on me. Yep. Sorry. The best part about the demo is it doesn't work when it has to. So let me try another one. So, okay. Yeah, but this one, it works. Blah, blah, blah. The job description has all these skills, but my resume does not. So it points it out. Okay. And probably if I ask, hey, what is the location of the job? Hmm. Oh, it's in Oakland. Okay. What is the yearly pay? So, okay, it will work. So that's basically the demo part. And yep, rounding it up here with the help of the LLMs and the tools around it, we can build effectively agents which can look for a job for us, improve our resume, and even apply for it. And yep, and effectively save us $1,000. That's the conclusion. And I also figured out a future roadmap for this, where I can improve the user interaction. And also I can add some functionality like where it can, right now I'm not able to submit my resume to the job, but probably, hopefully in the future, I would be able to do it. Yep. And that's it. Thank you.